I do love good food, and these biscuits are right up there with the best of the things. 1 cup of milk with 1 tablespoon of distilled white vinegar. Let it sit for 5 or 10 minutes before you get started. It's been sitting and it is ready to go. Sifter has got 2 cups of flour, 2½ teaspoons of plain featherweight baking powder, 1½ teaspoons of ENERG baking soda substitute. You have to use twice what your recipe calls for. Both of these items can be bought at Amazon or Healthy Heart Market. If you go to Healthy Heart Market, check out the 5 or 6 pages of low sodium things they have. Some of that is just so good. So good. Go sift it. I use my kitchen knife to cut 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter that's cold from the refrigerator. Just cut it up in little pieces. It's going to go in the flour mixture. Here's where it gets kind of fun. Get your hands in it and mix it around. You can feel all those nice little pieces of cold butter. We're going to mix it until it's kind of a coarse, like a cornmeal texture. You'll still feel a couple of the clumps of butter, but it's okay because they're really good. Oh, that's Scooter barking. My oven is preheating to 400 degrees, and I have a cookie sheet with parchment paper over here, ready for my biscuits. Add 1/2 cup of dark brown sugar. Continue to smash it together with your fingers. Ooh, that looks good. Looking good, folks. The milk is ready to go. Okay. Make a little hole in the center. Put in the milk. Kind of clumped a little bit, and that's what it's supposed to do. Stir it till the milk gets in there. You're going to have a sticky dough. And then we'll just add some flour to it while it's in this bowl. I like to use a big bowl when I do this. Just makes it easier to mix stuff around and get it all in there right. I have all-purpose flour, of course, here. Just add a little at a time, not much at a time. And then stir it in until it's just a little sticky, but not this sticky. Need a little flour in there with your fingers. On the counter, I'm going to put some flour. And the dough goes in. And I'm going to knead it. So far, I've added an extra 1 cup of all-purpose flour. 1 cup. Oh, it's looking good. Looking good. Yes. My pan's ready. My oven's ready. And I see a little bit of butter pieces in the dough. It's okay. You can use a rolling pin or just pat your dough down. Just pat the dough. My glass is 2.5 inches. So I'm going to cut my biscuits at 2.5 inches. The last little bit, I just kind of make it into a ball and smack it down a little bit. It might look a little bit different than the others, but it's going to be good. Yep. Biscuits are going in my oven. Well, check them out in 10 minutes. Subscribe to my channel and you'll get a brand new low sodium video every Friday. Ooh, you're not going to know what it is. We had 14 biscuits. Our whole batch, 105 milligrams of sodium. Each biscuit, 7.5 milligrams. Less than 8 milligrams per biscuit. Johnny and I got sitting there visiting, forgot the biscuits. And they cooked about an extra 5 minutes, but they're right tasty.